Hello friends, today I've got something truly mind-blowing for you. A high-performance practical that can boost your work speed up to 10x. Just imagine learning a powerful technique in under 1 minute that makes even the toughest tasks feel super easy. This isn't just theory. You're about to see a live, hands-on demonstration that you can apply instantly and get results right away. So don't blink, because every single second in this video is packed with tips you won't want to miss. Let's dive in and unleash the power of high performance.